hear what's in a Sonic Man tune. Wait a minute. What the heck am I doing here? It's Thursday Battle! Oh yeah. Go on with the show and start the intro. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Thursday Battle! Yay! Yeah! Anyway, today starts another Thursday Battle. And today, some person is going to get eliminated. Anvil! Yes, you're correct. Anvil is getting eliminated, because you all chose just now. Anyway, let's get to the elimination. Aw, man. Why me? Why me get eliminated? You made us cheat. Yeah. Also, you almost got one of us eliminated. I'll see you guys later. Kinda makes you feel bad for him. Ah! Yeah, it does. Ah! Anyway, today's next challenge is baking a cake. And today we have a wide audience. We have Spiky Sonic Man, basketball, soccer ball, paper, Eric, and Lily. Anyway, start baking. I know exactly what we can make. A lemon cake. Woo. Cracks the egg. Put the flour in. Put the water in. And mix, mix, mix. Wanna buy some cake from Leafy? Yeah. 10 minutes later. Boop. Time for the taste test. Let me taste some cakes. This is our specialized homemade lemon cake. Here you go. Pretty good. I give it a 9 out of 10. Let me taste the No Arms Team cake. Wait a minute. I tell this is strawberry. You stole it from Leafy. No we didn't. Wait, how did you remember that? Oh, yes we did. Serves you right. Okay. Viewers. Since the roster of characters right now is very short, you can vote for who you'd want to... Wait a minute. Let me look at the script. Yeah, you can vote for whoever you want back in Thursday Battle. Wait a minute. Much better. You can pick donuts, anvil, pencil, or bagel. Pick whichever one you want fast. Until then, an Tree is signing off. See you guys later. Until the next Thursday, another Thursday Battle will be born. What are you so happy about, Tiny Ball? I'm glad that we won't get eliminated. Oh yeah. Sonic Man 2017, 2016. Wait, no, 2018. Blank screen.